Hello students, welcome in online lecture series. I am Dr. Basab Tambe, Assistant Professor in MEPhys KTHM College, Nasik. Friends, in last lecture we studied about some important subtopic in this industrial location chapter. Today we are going to start agglomeration of industry. This is very important subtopic in this lecture. Agglomeration is driven both by concentration of an industry and size of the city itself. New firms in the same industry follow established firms and continue to cluster in this region. So, localization economics generate cluster of firms producing the same product. The term agglomeration economics is used to urban economics to describe the benefits that firms industry obtain when locating near each others. What happens in the specific region? There are when some industries are established in specific region, that time automatically some dependent industry also established near the main industrial zone, and that's why this region going to automatically develop because of the road facility, electricity facility, or other facilities are no are available is available in this region. That's why there is no need of newly develop the road or electricity or another facilities. That's why this in this diagram P, Q, R, these are the same different uh, different industrial zone or firms, but A is agglomerated area because of A giving the facility from P, Q, R, all the three stations or zones. That's why A uh, didn't have to make new facilities. Agglomeration refer to the phenomena of cluster of business activity as a result of firms being located close to each other. Agglomeration can be described as a process that concentrates economic activity in one place to make business from productive. The role of nature of agglomeration economics. The firms that are located close to each other in an agglomeration economy shares infrastructure, facilities, suppliers and workers, transport networks as well as telecommunication infrastructure is valuable depending on the industry of the network. As the size of an agglomeration economy increase, so does the opportunity for intermediate suppliers to offer goods and services. Agglomeration automatic productivity improvement, then get profit, then increase input use due to a rise of marginal product and quality upgrading, and because of the quality upgrading definitely profit increase. This is the benefit of agglomeration region. Matching agglomerate economy having large and diversified markets have better matches between employers and employees as well as firms and intermediate suppliers. This significantly reduce cost because it widens and scope of business activity, thus providing better employment opportunity. Learning. Knowledge exchange is considered critical to growth and innovation is rapidly changing industries. When a firm become a part of an agglomeration, it goes through a learning process that helps the firm operate in the most effective manners. Although agglomeration economy, these are some disadvantages of agglomeration. Agglomeration economy boosts the economy. They can also have a detrimental effect in the following ways. Environmental effect. Cluster of business activity in metro city contribute significantly to pollution, traffic and other externalities that occur by clustering of the population of firm. Competition. Because of the closely clustered business activity, firms often find themselves in losses because of increased competition. Overburden infrastructure. The accumulation of business in certain area can cause a strain on the infrastructure. This is very important, overburden of infrastructure, because of in this region when one company established, that time roadways size and quality is same. After the number of firms or industry established in this specific region, that time overburden on this road or electricity or water supply lines, this is disadvantage of the agglomeration. Then corruption. Because of the highly competitive nature of the economy, firm often find that they resort to other illegal methods in order to earn profit. In this way, this is very important topic. We studied the agglomeration of industries, then disadvantage and advantage of agglomeration of industries. Thank you very much.